Good morning to you guys. Welcome, millionaires and billionaires and future whales, to the Bulls Run Token Whale Group, and welcome to Visionary DeFi. We are one in the same community. Visionary DeFi is the brand, and any projects that's under Visionary DeFi will be considered products of Visionary DeFi. Anyone that's passing through, welcome. Brief explanation about us and what we do is we educate people about crypto, and we help them avert rug pull scams, and we help you find the next 10x, 50x, 10,000x or more gems, and continue to create wills, continue to create millionaires and billionaires and financial freedom. So for anyone that's passing through, don't forget to join the Telegram, the Bulls Run Token Telegram. The links are in the description below, as well as the websites. And we welcome you to the community. Just keep everything positive, and you won't have any issue into our community, guys. And join the Twitter as well. And I've made a previous video about our private crypto sig that we are started to post a lot of tokens on there, and I've just recently posted one of project that's about to do a 10,000x move. So if you're not in the crypto signal group, get yourself in there and get yourself the opportunity to get into those gems before they make the next 10,000x move or even 10x move. So what we're focusing on is the minimum of 10x move coins that's potentially do 10x, 50x or more, and 10,000x. So do make your way into the crypto signal group, and there's one coin that's recently posted as stated earlier. Sometimes those coins, they do move against the market. So even if the market is dumping, those coins do potentially move the opposite direction and pumps in the red market. So this is what I've been paying attention to, guys, and putting in the work to help you guys find the next big movements, next big pumps. So right now, we'll just to reiterate, the entry fee is used to be $200 to get into the private crypto signal group. Now it's $500, and it will continue to increase as the group grows larger. And simply send your funds to the marketing wallet. The address is also in the description below, and then we will send you via airdrops the invitation link. So we're going to take a look at the markets, guys, and get an idea of what the market is doing and give you guys an update. Oh yeah, this will be a short stream, guys. Having connection problems, so just problems. This is going to be a short stream, and we'll be discussing about the Binance situation. It's not just Binance, guys. The SEC is going after all of the exchanges, and we've been alerting you guys for months now. Over 6 months, we've been telling you guys that those exchanges, 90% of all the exchanges are going to be non-existent, and 90% of all banks are going to collapse. So the exchanges are no exception, guys. They will collapse. And we have been alerting to Binance that we mentioned also that Binance was going to be attacked by the SEC. We mentioned it was a high possibility, and it looks like it is happening now. So that's going to drag the market down, and we might see the potential next big black swan event that may bring Bitcoin below 10K areas. So let's wait to see if we can get this this chart uploaded on Bitcoin, because if you guys been following on the previous streams, we mentioned that as long as Bitcoin holds the support, if it doesn't hold the 27K support, we are going down to the low 20K levels. And it looks like that's what we are seeing based on the news, because um, those who control the markets, the big institutions, the big banks, guys, it's not the news that's causing the market to collapse. It's the institution, those who controls the market. They are they have to give a reason why the market is coming down, why they're manipulating the market. So they feed the public news just to say, hey, this is what's causing the market to come down. But in reality, is them that's, even without the news, they're dumping and pumping the market. So they're just giving you guys the news to show you, hey, this is the reason why the market's dumping. But it's all being manipulated. But eventually, they understand that this is the last opportunity to manipulate the market and to buy everything at a cheaper price, because the entire world is coming into crypto. And once everyone comes into crypto, it's going to be very difficult for them to continue to manipulate the market, because a lot of people are going to be holding Bitcoin and a lot of crypto. So right now, it's less than 10% of the population that's in the that's in crypto. So you can understand that majority of crypto is in the hands of the big banks, the big institutions, and a small minority. So once everyone comes into crypto, once the entire globe come into crypto, and it's going to be difficult for one small group to manipulate it. So we did see Bitcoin break support at the 26K levels, 27K levels. So based on the news that's happening as well, we are going most likely to see Bitcoin comes to the next support. Let's zoom in so you guys can see here. Yeah, it looked like this morning it's having another attempt to break the resistance here, which most likely it's going to get rejected because of the news. So the chart's always going to tell you what's going to happen, irrespective to the news. So the news will come after. So the charts will, in a way, predict the future. So right now we are seeing a huge resistance. So that means there's more bad news coming for the market. So it's not the news that's going to cause the market to collapse, but it's all psychology. So the big players, the whales that's into crypto, they're putting the news out to show you guys, to give you guys a reason why the market is crashing. Or if the market just suddenly collapse without any news, a lot of people would question why the market is coming down. So they would then understand that it's heavily manipulated. Only a small portion of people understand and knows that the market is manipulated. So the masses don't know anything about crypto being manipulated. They just, most people, if you mention crypto to them, they'll just think it's a scam. All crypto in general. So you could understand um, why there's so much fear in crypto is because this is going to be a one world currency globally. All fiat currencies are going to collapse, all banks are going to collapse, most exchanges are going to collapse, and there's only going to be left with crypto because this has to be the way for people to regain their financial freedom and a way to move money across borders without paying a middleman or without paying huge fees. So crypto is leveling the playing field for people to become wealthy and for people to become financially free. So the big players understand that. This is why they're manipulating it, grab as much as they can before the huge bull run begins. So I'm expecting, guys, within the next 12 hours, it looks like it seems Bitcoin is attempting uh, another retry at breaking the resistance here at the 27K. You know, I'm pretty sure it's gonna reject it, and when it does, and if it does reject it, like I said, I can also be wrong as well because crypto is heavily manipulated. It can seems like the chart's gonna pump and they will quickly reverse it. So our accuracy rate is over 90%. So there is that small chance of us being wrong. So we're not immune uh, uh, to being wrong. So the possibility of the market coming down to the 20 low 22 levels, 20 21K 20K levels is very high. So I would say before buying anything, just wait until either two things happen. Bitcoin breaks clean at the 30K levels and remains, at least as long as it remains above the 28K, which is where support is, and take out the next resistance at 30K, 31K, then that's a safe area where you can know that Bitcoin is heading to 50K, and then you can load up on your positions. But there can be lower prices you can have the opportunity to get into as long as you wait for the perfect entry points. So I wouldn't get in until you see Bitcoin gets not just Bitcoin. On this channel, we don't recommend buying Bitcoin, Ethereum. They're too expensive. We're looking for the next 10x, 50x, 10,000x. Like I mentioned before, I recently posted um, crypto, a coin that's about to do 10x, not 10x, but 10,000x move. So get yourself into the crypto signal group and get yourself an opportunity. There's many coins as well. We've already posted at least over I believe 20 coins that's in the group. So even if you just put a few $100s in there, I know a lot of people may think, hey, why should I invest in um, why should I get into your private crypto signal group when I can get the information somewhere else? The question is to you is based on how long you've been into crypto. Have you ever seen where someone really truly understand the markets and giving over 90% accuracy predictions and over 90% um, accurate calls on any coins or the markets in general? Over 90% of people don't understand the markets, yet alone to give any precise, accurate prediction of any coin. So in crypto, all you will hear is this is not financial advice because those people are unsure about the advice they're giving you. So they have to buffer it to saying this is not financial advice because there is a high possibility you will lose money because they are unsure of the information they're giving you. But on this channel, you're never going to hear me say this is not financial advice because the the calls I give, you will rarely lose money. So I understand where crypto is going. I've studied the markets years now to understand crypto and understand the value we bring. and no one's going to be losing money into our group. You're only going to gain and continue to um, uh, grow your portfolio and become whales. Sometimes, you know, uh, a lot of people, sometimes it's difficult to uh, help them understand that, because they do have that mindset, that trader mindset, not just a trader mindset, but a short-term mindset. They just want everything now. They just want it now, and they don't want to wait. But as long as you have an investor mindset, guys, even if you have to wait, let's just say 1 year, just to gain financial freedom and become a millionaire and a billionaire, because people spend their entire lifetime trying to become millionaires, trying to become billionaires, trying to have financial freedom. And even if you just waited just 1 year to gain that, for a lifetime of financial freedom, it's totally worth it. And even if you spend even $1,000 or even $10,000, people are spending $10,000, $20,000 to get into some of these signal groups I'm witnessing, and in it, to get any other group that's gonna help them get into the position where they're financially free, and where they don't have to worry about money again. But for just a small entry fee of $500, then you get the opportunity. Even if you just buy one of the coins that's listed in the crypto signal group, you have your opportunity and your chance at a lottery to become financially free, because those coins will pump. Um, the minimum is 10,000, is 10x. Then we look at, like, I've been in the crypto space for a while now. 100% move um, doesn't excite me. Even 500% move doesn't excite me. At least I'm looking for is a 10x move. That's what excites me. I got spoiled by seeing how fast some of these coins move, and I've been doing the homework to understand why they move like this and how frequent are they going to be moving like this. So I'm no longer chasing the 1x to 3x pumps. And right now I'm looking more and more into 10,000x moves, which I do have a few that I am viewing. And there's a recent one that I posted. The next one I'm looking just to make sure that it's a long-term project, because those coins, you just want to buy them and just hold them. Even if you just put $10, $20 into those coins, that potentially will become worth millions of dollars, guys. So this is how you set yourself up for success and be part of a community that's going that way. That's paving that path for, just the average person to have financial freedom. So we'll take a look at the news, what's happening. Like I said before, just we'll be paying attention to Bitcoin to see which, most unlikely, it's gonna break the resistance, but we'll see what it does. Uh, Based on the news that's coming out as well, we may see lower prices. Binance situation, like I stated before, guys, Binance. I don't think Binance is doing anything wrong. It's just that's how corrupt the government is. That's how corrupt the SEC is. And now the SEC is just going straight after cryptocurrency, because the government understand they can't control the technology. They know it's gonna bring people financial freedom. Yeah, they even sued Coinbase, guys. That's how they going after every exchange. So months prior, you know, we've been mentioning on the YouTube channel that um, most of these exchanges won't last to get your coins off the exchanges. This is the reason why. It doesn't matter whether they're gonna fight it or not. the universe has a big hand in this. The universe has a big play in this, because most exchanges won't exist because of what's happening. It's to give people the freedom of their finances. So most of these exchanges are just another extension of the banking system. So the banking system is collapsing, and it's going to take um, uh, well, not that it's going to take the exchanges down with them. The exchanges are just an extension of the banking system, so they will also collapse as well. And we've already seen a few of them collapsing. So now it's a domino effect, and it's just going to be happening faster and faster and faster. And we are developing a product that's going to help everyone in the crypto space. That's going to pioneer and reinvent the game, the crypto game, where the government, it doesn't matter who you are, they're not going to be able to track your transactions or know who you are. So as you can see, they are attacking Binance, as we previously mentioned prior on the channel, and that's one of many predictions that has come true, and it will continue to unveil itself, because they can shut Binance down. Even Binance.com, they have the power to shut um, every uh, every exchange down. I'm telling you guys. So what we are seeing, it's no coincidence. It's not like you didn't know about it. We've been alerting you guys that this was going to happen. So this is why I always say, get yourself in the right community, with the right information and knowledge to stay ahead of the game, stay ahead of crypto, and hedge yourself, because that's how millionaires and billionaires get created. So let's head back to the more I try to help humans, the more it seems like some of them, they're not salvageable. So some of them cannot be helped, and I do understand that. And there's a few that's gonna listen. There's a few that's gonna heed to the information, and there's a few that's not gonna believe it. And even when it comes true, they're still gonna deny it. That's the crazy thing about the mind. They still will deny it, even if it's right in front of them. Let's see, SEC. Like I said, SEC is the most corrupt organization. The U.S. is the most corrupt country I've ever witnessed. So I don't, I don't expect this to go down lightly. I don't expect them to go lightly on Binance. It will go after Binance, not just Binance. They will go after CZ, guys. And mark these words, they will pursue criminal charges, not just civil. Right now, it's just currently um, civil lawsuits against Binance, against CZ, but eventually they are going to pursue criminal charges. You will see in news about them pursuing criminal charges against Binance, because they are trying to control crypto, because they understand they can't stop it. Yeah, there you go. SEC sues Binance for security violations, and they're attacking Binance. And Binance is not. It's not. I don't believe Binance is doing anything wrong. Really, that's just how they play. So we'll see this bring crypto down, and expect the bigger news, guys. Bigger. If it happens now, that's good. If it doesn't happen now, then continue to watch out for the big Swan event. It's gonna crash the entire crypto space, um, and that's when we will see the true bull runs begin. Once we see the huge drop, and then everyone just starts buying, and the big bank starts buying, they will be the first one buying, because they will collapse it to buy price to buy everything at a cheaper price, guys. The SEC sued crypto exchange Binance and its billionaire founder, CZ, alleging that they work to attract U.S. customers to its unregulated internal exchange. Coming investors funds coming investors funds with their own and violated security laws. Personally, I've seen some of CZ's speeches. I've seen some of his interviews. He's a good guy. He's a genuine guy, and he's actually here to help people into the crypto space. This is why I always say that his vision and his motives and his goals align with my goals as well, is to help create millionaires, billionaires, and help people gain financial freedom. So he's a genuine guy. So I don't believe he's done anything wrong, and they're just going after him because he has one of the biggest crypto exchange. But I don't believe the universe will, allow him to be put in jail, and I don't believe the universe may allow the exchange to fail, but since he has many products that's decentralized, it's not just Binance. The reason why Binance may fail and may collapse is because it's too centralized and it doesn't align with the universe's goal. Anything that doesn't align with the universe's goal will cease to exist. So I don't believe Binance the maybe CZ will come up with a decentralized exchange and that will survive. But remember, his product, which is also Trust Wallet, is decentralized. So Binance is not, CZ is not going anywhere. He's going to continue to become more wealthy and more wealthy because he's a generous guy, and he's also a genuine guy that wants to help people. So the universe will reward him. So that's why he's going to become more wealthy. So even if Binance, the exchange, doesn't exist anymore, which most likely it might not exist because it doesn't align with the universe's goal. But his wallet, Trust Wallet, and many of his future products that he will invent will continue to exist. Maybe he will rebrand himself, and he will remain in the crypto space as one of the biggest figure. He's not going anywhere, but the corporation Binance may be collapsing. So I'll keep it short here, guys. If you'd like to know more info, we always giving you guys the heads up as what's going to happen, and we give it to you straightforward. Join the BullsRunToken Will group. The link for the Telegram is in the description below, and don't forget to join the Telegram as well. And don't forget to join the crypto signals and get yourself the opportunity to become a whale in crypto, guys. Peace. Oh, I've noticed. Hey guys, I didn't know anyone was in the chat. Welcome. I felt it was a little bit too early for you guys. Well, I just wanted to keep the live stream short, guys. If you has anything to say, you guys have any comments, we exit. Go ahead and do so. Or any questions?
Let's fucking go, bro.
Oh yeah.
You already know.
Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, like I said, guys, we're ready.
Good morning, everybody. I got here a little late.
Oh, hey Randy, how's it going?
Good, how about you?
Good.
Hey, what do you think about BNB Tiger? Should we still stay on that?
Yeah, just hold that one. I've seen how it's moving. It's just following the market right now. Every coin's following the market except for Bull Run.
Okay.
Unless they have our tokenomics. Yeah, just keep holding. It's gonna pump. And also Luna Classic too. Just keep holding, guys.
And BTT.
Oh yeah.
That?
Oh yeah. That coin has become a stable coin, which is a very good thing. So once it start moving, it's gonna move very, very quickly. And then
sounds good. I'll hodl.
Awesome. Yeah, I just posted a new coin to the private crypto single group. Check it out. It's gonna do a 10,000x move. You can even just put $100 in there. You're gonna have everything that's happening right now.
Okay. Yeah, I'll take a look. Thanks.
All right, guys. Yeah, I'm about to lose connection very shortly, guys. So that's why I wanted to keep the VC short. And we'll chat again soon.
Okay, take care.
All right, guys. Peace. All right, guys. Peace.
Buddy, have a good day.
Me too. All right, guys.